But it is the weirdest, silliest, craziest, what in the world type die. And where is it? Where is it? I mean, I have my version, but I don't have the other version. Okay, so I'll just show you my version. It's the same as yours, but not without packaging. Okay, it looks like, what in the heck? Okay, you're like, what? It has the little belly button notch. What is this? Let me show you. Here is a stand-up card. Oh, look how cute. Has the little belly button notch right there that holds it up. This die is the heart paper. What am I talking about? Let me show you. Let me show you. This has been a big request, you guys. If you have a stand-up card, you want this card, this die. And I'll show you why in just a second. Here, what I've done is I've die cut a stand-up card. This is the card. This is the one, graceful stand-up. Graceful stand-up. I die cut it. That's all I did was die cut it. Now, it comes with, and I've already lost some, it comes with 2 layering dies right here. Let's look at this. I want you to see this. So it comes with a layering die for here and a layering die for here, right? But there is never, ever, ever a layering die over here. And you're saying, Stephanie, why not? Well, that belly button notch puts a wrench in it, right? It messes it all up because I can't do a die to go around this because I need that to be exactly right there. This die will fit on every single stand-up card I've ever done. Every single stand-up card I've ever done goes right there to layer. The belly button is in the exact right spot. Okay, the belly button is in the exact right spot to layer that on top. Now, what am I talking about? Let's do it. Ready? We are going to lay this down. Actually, let's do this one. We're going to lay this down and we're going to run this through. I also want you to see that we need the layering dice for the other pieces too. Well, let's just do this one. So I'm going to take this. I can't do it on the. I'm on the camera by myself tonight, you guys. So bear with me. You're not going to see me die cut it, but I'm die cutting it. I promise. So I'm going to run this through, and look at this. So it has that little belly button notch right there. Do you see it? That little belly button notch. So what you're going to do is you're going to fold your card in half. And remember, I have layering dies already in all my other sets that go there and on the front. This is for the inside. The inside. It's going to go right on top. That belly button notch is going to line up with that belly button notch. Now, do you really need to worry about that? No. But it was very important when I designed this to make sure that it lined up in case you needed both. So I'm grabbing some adhesive and we are going to run. Look at that. Oh, I can't believe I'm not using that side. I should use that side. So pretty. There we go. We're going to lay this right on top. And now, my friends, I still have the belly button notch. And look, it did line up right there. There it is. I have a double layer belly button notch. So now I can do my stand-up cards. And if your stand-up card ever you go put it in and it pops out, what you need to do is just score it further here. So get your bone folder out or get your, watch this. Oh, can you see that? Watch this. I just use a block. Go over that seam just a little bit more. Now watch. Dun, 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 dun. Magic, it stays. Magic, it stays. So this die, you guys, this die will fit every single stand-up you have ever purchased from me. That is the wafer thin die. If you bought some of the big fat dies from 15 years ago from Sizzix Ellison, no, it won't work on those, but it works on these. It actually might. I haven't tested it because I got rid of all those dies, but any of my wafer thin dies, it will fit. And it fits perfectly. Let's look at some samples because I want you to see all the awesome samples our design team made. Let's go to this one. So here we go. This is a cute one with our little picnic friends. Look how cute that is. So all of the stand-ups this will work on. Here's the one I just showed you with the glitter paper. Look at this glitter paper. Oh my goodness, you guys, look at that. And again, there's my nice layer all the way around, all the way around. Look at that. The green is all the way around, centered perfectly. Here is another one. The word ones. The word ones are so popular. Whoops. And let's get that belly button notch to come up more. There we go. Look at that. Hello. Isn't that awesome? Here's another word. This one is, let's pop that belly button notch up. There we go. Oh, you can't see it. Bravo. Look, hang on. Let me, I can't get out of the way. Hang on. Hang on. Let me find a color to go behind it. Bravo. There we go. Bravo. Bravo. There it is. There it is. Black doesn't show up because I'm wearing black. And so that's the stand-up layering die. That is on flash sale. Just a heads up on that one. If you ever had a stand-up die, you're going to want it. Oh, also, watch this. Watch this. You could even, bye, honey. Sorry, the boys are leaving. And so here is the 5x7 decal edge. You could turn it into a flip it. I'm sorry, a stand-up. Use that layering die smaller. Look, this one here, the orange gingham, that is that die. Yes, it's smaller, but look, it fits perfect. So now you have a die with that belly button notch that can turn anything into a stand-up. Perfect for folded cards too. The glitter paper is not separate. No, it's only a part of the kit. There we go. Thanks so much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.